Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can remove items from cart in Doordash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to remove items from your cart, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Doordash app. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap on the cart-like icon on the right hand side of the corner, and once you open your cart, you will see the items that has been selected by you in your cart. Now to remove it, all you need to do is simply tap on the trash can like icon besides the item you have selected, and once you tap on it, the item has been completely removed from your cart in Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.